Okay guys, on October 6, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of begonia bowerae. It is also called as the tiger paws begonia or eyelash begonia. So now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting. And now you can see that this plant has a rhizome type stem. And usually its propagation is very easy. Okay, so now we have taken it out. So now you can see that our main stem has multiple leaves, and we will just fetch out some of the leaves. Why it is so? Because we want to lower the burden on the stem, because for food the leaves used to rely on the stem cells. Okay, so now you can see that this is our stem, and now we have to keep it in the shade for certain time so that it will get healed and properly calloused over. Okay, on October 8, 2024, now you can see that we have got our cutting, and now it is healed up and one leaf is also dried up, so we will take it off. Now our media, which consists of simple sand and simple garden soil in a 50-50% ratio. So now we will try. Okay, now you can see that we have sowed our cutting in the media, and now you can see that some part of the stem is under the soil while some part of the stem is above the soil in the air. Okay, so this is our plant, and as it is the winter, so it may take a lot of time. Okay, on March 17, 2025, now like we can say that more than 5 months have been passed, but still you can see that the plant is in the dormancy state, because for 4 months it is in the dormancy, and in the last 20 days it used to break its dormancy period. So hopefully it will show us a little bit of progress on the rooting side. Now you can see that we got some roots on the rhizome or stem. So this is our result. Now let me zoom in out, and now you can see that this is our root ball, and there is some sort of growth on the stem cutting as well. Now you can see the roots are strong. Okay, the roots are strong and healthy, and you can see that some new leaves used to emerge out from the main stem. Okay, so we have progress on both sides, that is on the rooting side as well as on the shooting side. So in this way you can propagate your eyelash begonia or begonia tiger paw from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.